In this video, I'm going to show you how do you find the first derivative of inverse of sine 3x. So to do this, I'm going to copy. When you copy, you say sine negative 3x. So to do this, you're going to introduce sine on both sides, sine on both sides. So this one will cancel. You're going to say sine y equals to 3x. So now to find this, now you're going to differentiate both sides. But remember that you're differentiating with respect to x. So this one, it is implicit. So you're going to differentiate it. You're going to say the first derivative of sine, it is cos y. But remember that you are differentiating with respect to x. You are going to add dy dx. Here when you differentiate 3x with respect to x, you are going to have 3. Now you're looking for dy dx. You divide both sides by cos y. Divide both sides by cos y. So this will cancel. You are going to have dy dx equals to 3 over cos y. Now remember that I'm looking for in my original function, I don't have y here. So how can I remove y? So if you make a triangle here, make a triangle. Remember that this one here, which is this one, so this one is an angle. You have an angle which is y, but remember that this one is sine y is equal to 3x. So we know that SOHCAHTOA, you know that sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So which means this one is you have this is same as we have denominator as 1. So numerator is opposite, then hypotenuse is 1. So if you put this angle as y, then which means opposite is 3x, then hypotenuse is 1. So to find the adjacent, we know that we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem. We know that Pythagorean theorem, since we are looking for adjacent, it will be square root 1 squared minus, if you square this side, then it will be 3, it will be 3x squared. So to simplify this part is simply means 1 minus 9x squared. So this one is adjacent. So since now you're looking for cos, you know that cos it is adjacent over hypotenuse. So to find cos y, it is we know that cos y it is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent, which is this one, 1 minus 9x squared, then hypotenuse we know that it is 1, which simply means it will give you xy equals to square root of 1 minus 9x squared. Now this one, I'm going to substitute now this one which is here with this one. So to be final answer, to be dy dx of this, it will be 3 over this one. You substitute it with the square root of 1 minus 9x squared. Thank you. This is the final answer. In my next video, I'm going to show you how do you find the derivative of inverse of cos. So this part was the derivative of what? Sine, derivative of inverse of sine.